Sugar Wugas, I'm back at y'all with another video. I have no clue what I'm going to eat, but I'm hungry and it's early and I'm going to do this. So, I will be back with my video, my Sugar Wugas. Stay tuned! Yay! What's up? I'm back at y'all again with another video. It's morning and I decided to stop and get some breakfast. I'm gonna say my prayer and then I'll let you know what I'm gonna be eating, okay? Amen. Hey my Sugar Wugas, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you. Thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. I appreciate your support. Okay, Sugar Wugas. Alright, look. I am having McDonald's. Oh yeah, McDonald's. And, you know, I like, for breakfast, I like the steak, egg, and cheese bagel. I do. I haven't had one in a very long time. Sorry for the lighting, y'all. You know how it is in a car. You know how it is in a car. But, so I got a steak and egg cheese bagel. See? And a hash brown. See? Y'all want the first bite? Here you go. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. It tastes good. Just like I remember. Put something on my stomach this morning. You know I don't usually eat this early. I get this early. It's 9:51, but I usually wait all day to eat. Y'all know. That's good. But since I'm eating this, you know I ain't eating no time soon. I got me a Coke soda. Woo! I needed that fish, y'all. Yup, this early. Excuse me. My hash brown. My hash brown. I gotta put some salt on there. Yeah, I'm doing that, y'all. Gotta make it work. When you're in the car, you gotta make it work. Give me pepper and some pepper. Make it work, y'all. Hey, y'all, comment below if y'all like McDonald's breakfast. And what y'all like. Some of you if y'all do like McDonald's breakfast. How y'all feeling today? How was y'all weekend? Mine was good. It was good. Bye-bye. No bite. I ain't give y'all no hash brown there. Y'all want some hash brown? Do y'all want some hash brown? Put the egg down. These little fried onions. This is filling. It really is. I mean the McDonald's parking lot. I understand how ain't nothing, huh? Cause y'all like to see the eating. I know, right? At first, excuse me. At first I wasn't gonna do a video. And I really wasn't. And I wasn't going to do McDonald's at first. And then I thought about this. I knew I didn't have it in a while, so I said, might as well knock it out. Show y'all what I had for breakfast, because no trouble with me if I eat later, because when I eat like this, I don't really eat too much later. I don't. I just don't. Because this is making me full. I still ain't give y'all no hash brown. Let me stop playing with y'all. Take a little bite. Alright? I had my crab fix. I ain't had crabs in a long time, and I got some, was it Saturday? I got some Saturday. I did a video. Go check it out. Especially if you haven't had, if you haven't, I say especially, if you haven't checked it out already. Oh, the hash brown on done. Got that grease all in that. Woo! Y'all see me struggling. I am struggling to finish this. cheesy. Let me see if I can get some room. Drinking a lot of this, huh? I know. That's probably why I get full fast, because I'm drinking my soda. I can't help it, it's good. Two people right over there next to me. They cleaned out their car. Cleaning their rugs and all that. Yep. What am I doing? Sometimes you do the most silliest things when you're by yourself. I always do that, especially when I get full. Because it don't make no sense. What was that? I'm by the airport, by the way. BWI. Baltimore. Washington International Airport. You hear one? Plane? You see him? You ain't parked right there? Look at me. I'm being nosy. Y'all gonna be nosy with me. I know y'all seen that truck right there. I thought he was gonna be right next to me, because I'm not like real close to like the door of McDonald's or anything. I'm like far off. It's, you know, as far as the parking lot going. I thought they was getting ready to like park directly next to me, because I am like a little bit away from people, except for it's like on an angle and they over there cleaning the car. I'm telling you all about that. But yeah, that's what's going on over here. Y'all think I could finish this? I might as well, because look, really, like really. Okay. My Suga Wugas. Alright, y'all, look. Alright, y'all, look like, you know, let me tell you, you know what I'm saying? Also, if you're still with me, comment below if you get full and you keep trying to at least finish the last little bite. Do you start feeling like something like, no, I don't want it, no, I don't want it? And you look at it and be like, no more. That's me all the time. All the time. But I finished that, right? I finished everything. Yeah. No, I'm probably not gonna eat nothing until later. You know? Later. I'm sorry, I'm messing with my stuff. You know I'm gonna get everything. Woo. That was good. It was. What did y'all have today? to eat. I don't know why I was so thirsty, but I really was thirsty. I wish I could take a little nap right now. Well, I know it's early, but I feel like I want to take a nap. I can, but I gotta focus and work. Okay, my sugar wiggers, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, share, let everybody know what I'm doing over here on this channel, okay? Show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. Anyway, you know what's about to happen. I'm gonna leave all my sugar wiggers with a nice big old hug. My sugar wiggers. I see y'all on my next video.